Most traders open the chart and immediately start looking for entries. I open the chart and ask one question first. Where is price sitting inside of the structure? If you skip this step, everything else falls apart. Today I'm breaking down the S in stack, structure, and showing you exactly how I read it before I even think about a trigger. I want you to take a quick look at something. Which chart would you rather have? The one on the right, with no wolf chart, no structure markings, everything manual. Or would you want to have the wolf chart on the left? This is what the stackers utilize every single day, knowing exactly where key levels are, knowing exactly where smart money is placing their bets and where they're selling off at. The stack method is sequential, so the S comes before the T for a reason. Structure tells you where price is. Without that context, triggers are meaningless. You don't season a roux before you know the temperature of the pan, do you? The most common mistake that traders make is jumping straight into the indicators without knowing if price is at supply, demand, or mid-range. What structure actually means? Identifying key support and resistance levels, not lines and zones. Higher highs and higher lows versus lower highs and lower lows. Where is price relative to the nearest demand zone or supply zone? If structure is expanding, trending, or contracting, or consolidating. Reading structure across time frames, monthly sets the context, daily sets the zone, the 4-hour and 2-hour sets the precision. Here's an example of a ticker that is currently passing the structure test. So XOP, you can see that it was clearly sitting in a demand zone when institutions were accumulating it. Well, once it got this change of character right here, this bullish order block appeared, letting us know where smart money was hiding all along. You can already see it when this level wasn't ever broken. So they just accumulated all right here. And when we got this fresh break of structure, this snapped in, we broke through it. So this can be used as support later on if XOP decides to come down. Now let's flip to a structure that is currently failing the structure test. So you already see we have an arc confirmation to the downside. That means price is heavily bearish, and being bearish on the monthly time frame is a huge signal. Because the last time it did this, it dropped from 351 all the way down to 93 bucks. So that was a significant drop after that confirmation. I'm gonna go ahead and look at the daily time frame. It looks like it has no support until we hit about $30 below its current level. This is what I mean by a structure that is not passing the S test. The S in stack is a filter, not a formality. If structure doesn't pass, the other 4 letters does not matter. This is how it connects to the rest of the stack. If it passes, you look for a trigger. If it fails, you wait. That's the K, which is keep discipline. The full root score starts here. Structure is the foundation. Every letter after that, it depends on this being read right. All right, just to recap, structure first, always. Before the trigger, before alignment, and certainly before confirmation. If you want to start reading structure like a stacker, join the trading room. Free tier gets you daily buys every day, the Friday live every Friday, and access to the stack challenge where you can practice this exact skill. Link is in the description. Stay stacked. Oh, and I almost forgot. Before you go ahead and stop by CreoleTrades.com, where basically you get a one-stop shop for all of my content. So here you get a free guide. It pops up when you come in. It tells you about me. It has my latest video um, right here, and it have every product that I have currently. So this is the free tier window right here. You click this and it'll give you the Discord link. And after that, it is paid services. This is where you get the Wolf Chart 2.1 that I mentioned in the video as well. Here goes some of my testimonials. And my socials are here. And this is where I post my weekly blog as well. And I just got a fresh new announcement as well on the tail end of a video, just to see if you watched the whole video. I just launched the Stack Academy, where you can learn smart money concepts from scratch. This is for beginners, novice traders. There's a one-time fee, $97. And this is what you'll learn. You'll basically learn the stack method integrated in smart money concepts. So everything I talked about in this video, you'll definitely learn that and how it applies to the stack method. You also have check-on learnings after every module, and you have a final exam at the end. So go ahead and stop through and go ahead and grab you that coursework. Stay stacked again.